People in South Jersey are still digging out from yesterday's snowstorm, but in Ocean City today, it looked like a tale of two seasons. It certainly felt like winter on the boardwalk, where some people pulled out their sleds and went flying down the mounds of snow. But just a few feet away, it looked more like a summer afternoon. Look at these two. These two braved the bitter cold to take a dip in the ocean. Oh, goodness. In case you're wondering, the water temperature today was around 45 degrees. That must be true love, Uke. I don't know. Chief Meteorologist Bilo here with a frigid forecast. We saw a few surfers testing the water today, too, but they had, I'm assuming, wetsuits on. I think he's wearing a pretty thick wetsuit, but...
We had a quote, we had a little VO from that couple at 4 o'clock, and they were saying they couldn't feel anything after the first couple of steps. Their bodies just went completely numb, and then, well, you can't feel anything at all. But it made me cold just looking at them.
It is quite a plunge there.
Yes,
Taking
definitely the polar plunge today. And with the water temperature 45 degrees, the air temperature was probably not better than freezing outside. So water may have felt warm compared to the air. Philadelphia right now is clear. It is dry. It's looking to stay that way until tomorrow morning, when a couple of spotty showers may try to pop up. They are very few and far between, but the problem with these showers is that ground temperatures will be very close to freezing when they start popping up, and that means a little bit of ice. A few slick spots cannot be ruled out tomorrow morning. Right now 32, feels like 25. Warmer air is going to be lifting in tonight. If you can kind of see this line of clouds here, a warm front draped across portions of New England. A southwest wind picked up today, and you can see some showers here off the coast of the Carolinas. A couple of those showers will be drawn northward on that southwest wind overnight. And again, it's not much precipitation, but when temperatures are at freezing at the surface, it is cold enough to get some freezing rain, of course. 25 degrees tonight. Temperatures will drop quickly. They already are dropping quickly, but then gradually rise overnight. Any melted snow, though, is refreezing as we speak, so icy spots already emerging south and east. We'll see temperatures drop down to the low to mid 20s across most of the area, then gradually rise into tomorrow morning when these showers start to pop up. So about 6:30 a.m. Again, you can see this is not much rain, but any spot that does pick up even a stray shower, even north and west, down the shore, temperatures will be close enough to the freezing mark that it could lead to some icing, especially on untreated surfaces and those first to freeze surfaces like bridges and overpasses. That'll clear out by mid-morning, and then the sun should try to peek out in the afternoon. By Thursday night, our next chance for snow starts to move in. So tomorrow we're looking at 46 degrees, morning, spotty freezing rain showers or plain old rain showers once we warm up. Then we're up to 46 for the daytime high, which is not too bad. Then we start to talk about this late week system, and today is the day we're starting to see the models start to come into a little bit of better agreement with this system. Basically, the takeaway is measurable snow is likely starting late Thursday night and continuing into mid-morning or midday Friday. The models are coming into better agreement that this is going to be a quick-hitting system. As of right now, does not look like it's going to strengthen rapidly off the coast, which would lead to a major snowstorm for us. But of course, things could still shift. It is only Tuesday and we're talking about Friday. But winds may be more of a factor with this system as well. And even when the storm exits Friday afternoon, it will be very windy as well. So we talked about the GFS model earlier. This was kind of the outlier with the heaviest snow. The latest run has shifted a little more toward the less snow side. So it shifted a little bit to the southeast. You can see the strengthening mainly happens once it moves away. We're looking at a general 1 to 3 inches with some locally higher amounts across the Jersey Shore. The European model looks pretty similar. It's a quick hitting system. It's out of here by mid-morning Friday, and a quick hitting 1 to 3 inches, likely ending a bit earlier. So I think it's a pretty good call for 1 to 3 inches. The question is there a chance still that that system does strengthen and deepen a little bit more off the coast, leading to potentially higher amounts? That is still our wild card. So plan for a light to moderate snowfall into Friday morning. You'll likely wake up to fresh snow on the ground, and we will continue tracking any evolution of this system if it could get a little bit heavier. But it looks like we will bookend the week with another winter weather event. Saturday, 34, frigid. Milder Sunday, but showers return. Yuki, back over to you.
Throw that wild card out of the deck. All right, thank you.